Hello, colleagues. Andre asked me to give you a short message for the Equip meeting taking place in Dublin. It is an irony that I'm in Dublin myself, but only for the day, and I decided to uh, actually have a holiday on my 60th birthday, so I hope you will excuse me for not being there on this occasion. I was involved in setting up, or at least suggesting, some of the speakers for this meeting, and I think it looks a very interesting lineup that you have. I suggested the speakers to Andre, and I'm glad many have come, because fundamentally I think that in general practice we need to rethink how we approach the issue of patient safety. I know that all of us agree that this is important, that we have to do something. But the problem is, as I reflect on the last 15 years of work that I've been doing on patient safety, both in Europe and in the UK, is that I'm not sure that we have made a difference. Sure, everyone accepts that safety is important, and many of us have done things that have improved safety. But in total, as a constituency, can we truly put up our hands and say that we have made general practice safe for all? I don't think so. And this is not the fault of us as physicians or as other primary care team members. I think the problem is about how we look at safety within the context of primary care, and the fact that actually it's very difficult to do one thing that will improve safety. So sure, we've all learned how to monitor, we've all learned about safety culture, and we've all learned to make some bits of our care safer. So, for example, most of us will now make sure that we have systems in place for monitoring people on warfarin, or people taking non-steroidals are also given antacids or proton pump inhibitors. But these are only small initiatives, not unimportant, but they don't deal with the central problem, which is that general practice is actually a very uncertain place to practice in. We don't have the certainties that perhaps are afforded to many areas of medical care. And I think what we need to do is think of patient safety in the context of an environment which is very uncertain. I think sometimes we confuse uncertainty with not being safe, and I think we need to break that link. But these are some of my thoughts that I hope you begin to think about as you meet in Dublin, and listen to the speakers that I hope will challenge you. And I hope that we come out of it at the end with not any solutions, but certainly a better understanding, and an attempt that we won't just mimic what happens in hospitals, but that we will try and develop solutions which are specific and important for general practice. So I hope you have a good Congress, and I hope to see you next year. Thank you.